All right, we're done with the mods for the day. That's what's probably the easiest and simplest mod I could have done, is that black Vespa suspension arm cover. Nice and easy, and it looks good. And lastly, put a new sport bracket on the back with a new classic little saddlebag for me to put my locks and my rain jacket in. I like it. It's kind of neat. It's got a little bit of room inside, just enough for a lock, a couple locks, and maybe a rain jacket. That's just snaps back. I have that zip tied down so I don't lose it anywhere, but I like the looks. It's good. It's what I wanted. And we have more to come, more mods, so I still haven't finished. Why don't you subscribe, and that way you can see what I'm doing next. And then we'll start going for some rides. All right, for now, take care. Have a great day.